In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a single email as an .eml file. By the end, you'll know exactly how to grab a complete, authentic copy of an email from Gmail, including its full headers, the message body, and any attachments, all bundled into one .eml file. This is especially useful for record keeping, compliance, forwarding an email to another provider, or sharing a message with support teams without losing any technical details. First, open a desktop web browser and go to gmail.com. Sign into the account that holds the email you want to download. If you use multiple accounts, double check that you're in the right inbox to avoid grabbing the wrong message. Next, open the specific email. Click on the message so it's fully expanded in its own view. If you use Conversation View, make sure you have the exact message within the thread selected, because the file you download will reflect the one you currently have open, not the entire conversation. Now look toward the top right area of the message, near the reply button. Click the three vertical dots to open the More menu. From that menu, choose Show Original. This opens a new tab or window with the raw email details. If nothing appears, your browser may be blocking pop-ups for Gmail, so allow the site and try again. In the new window, you'll see technical information like authentication results and the full raw message. Find and click Download Original. Your browser will save the file in .eml format, typically named message.eml. You can rename it afterward, just make sure to keep the .eml extension so your computer recognizes it correctly. That .eml file contains everything needed to preserve the email exactly as it was received. All original headers, the entire body content, and any attachments. Attachments are packaged inside the .eml file, so when you open it in a compatible mail app, such as Apple Mail, Outlook, or other email clients, you'll see the message and attachments intact. If you open it in a plain text editor, you may see encoded sections. That's normal. For a readable view, use an email client. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you don't see the Show Original option, make sure you're viewing the full message and not just a quick preview. And if your browser asks where to save the file, pick a folder you can easily find later, like your Downloads folder. That's all there is to it. You've successfully downloaded a single email as a .eml file from Gmail.